Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best bike child seats on the market, the Bell COCOON 300 Child Bicycle Carrier.
Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a family looking to enjoy more outdoor adventures together, this carrier promises comfort, safety, and convenience for your little one. Let's start with what makes the Bell COCOON 300 stand out. Designed with a wrap-around bucket seat, it ensures your child rides in comfort.
This carrier is compatible with most 26-inch and 27-inch bikes, making it versatile for different setups. Plus, it features a secure 5-point harness, molded spoke guard, and includes a rear reflector for added safety, a must for any parent's peace of mind. Safety is paramount, and Bell has integrated thoughtful features into the COCOON 300. The 5-point harness keeps your child securely in place, while the molded spoke guard prevents any mishaps during rides. Constructed to carry up to 40 pounds, this carrier is sturdy enough to handle your child's growth and ensures durability for years of use.
Now, let's talk about ease of use. Installation is straightforward with this carrier, thanks to the clear user manual and troubleshooting guide provided by Bell.
Once installed, it's a breeze to load and unload your child, a feature any parent will appreciate when gearing up for family outings. The COCOON 300 has garnered rave reviews, becoming a top choice among bike child carrier trailers.
It's no surprise it's designed to cater to both child comfort and parent peace of mind.
Evident from its popularity and high ratings across various platforms. But don't just take our word for it, let's see what some users have to say about their experiences with the COCOON 300.
In conclusion, if you're looking for the best bike child carrier that combines safety,
comfort, and ease of use, the Bell COCOON 300 is a standout choice. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring off-road trails, this carrier ensures that your child enjoys the ride just as much as you do. That wraps up today's review.
If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and recommendations.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.